Hi. So first of all, I would like to ask you, what were your key highlights from the session that you have attended till now? Is there anything in specific that you want to highlight or tell us about?
I think the entire conference is built around the partnership between the academia and a lot of government officials who are in the key decision making roles for skilling and the industry. So I think it is very heartening to see that all the three stakeholders are over here and they've taken it up very seriously to come together and uh, and the level of understanding and awareness of all three stakeholders is extremely high. I've attended conferences 3 to 4 years back when certain stakeholders were not up to the mark when it got to the idea of partnership on that. But now I think it's a well-known, established fact, and all of us are working hard towards that.
One more thing I wanted to ask. I was also everybody was watching the presentation, so you were talking about the technologies that Philips Education has adopted for skill development of the youth. So I wanted to ask: are there any steps being taken for ensuring that these technologies and these skill development programs also reach to the underprivileged sections of the society and underserved people? That is what I want.
So, in fact, all our center of excellences which are getting built is geared towards the underprivileged society. So, in fact, in the center of excellence that I showcased, all the students who come over there are generally from that background. In fact, their monthly family income sometimes is in the range of 7 to 8,000 rupees a month. And when they basically end up getting 25,000 rupees salary job, monthly salary jobs, it is actually three times their family income just by this thing. So it was a shocking fact even for us that how a family can survive in 8,000 a month, but that is the background they're coming from. And with just 3 months of intervention, just because now they are skilled enough, they can actually break that barrier, and now they will not be stuck at that salary, because in 2 3 years they will be at 40 50,000 rupees, which will substantially improve their skill level of life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable inputs. Thank you so much.